It's true. I'm laughing because it's true. John Harriet, we love you too. By the way, talking about ridiculousness and a little premonition by me. Okay, we talked about Joe Biden ending the Title 42, which would allow people at the southern border to reapply for amnesty from the border rather than trying to run across the border, get caught, and then file for amnesty. This is actually what was happening in Title 42 was the actual opposite of what Donald Trump wanted when he put in Title 42. So when he put in Title 42, basically he said, we're not going to accept any amnesty applications at the border. So you couldn't go up to the border guards and say, I'm here to apply for amnesty. They weren't allowing anyone in under the guise of COVID. So what did people do? A lot of people ended up in tent cities, which we showed. Many people just tried to run across the border.
Right.
If they ran across the border and made it into the United States and got caught, now they're applying for amnesty. All right, so it actually forced people to enter without inspection. Actually, it was the opposite of what you wanted. So now, Joe Biden is ending Title 42. And what did I say? The Republicans are going to say, oh, he's opening up the border, he's opening up the gates, he's allowing everybody in. People are pouring in across the border. You're going to hear it all. I said it's going to be very politicized. So what happened? Governor Greg Abbott, the governor of Texas, he announced yesterday that Texas is going to be sending busloads of people, all undocumented immigrants, to the steps of the United States Capitol to tent out there in response to Biden's administration ending Title 42. It's all over the news. Where's he getting these undocumented people to get on a bus to go live in a tent in on the Capitol? What kind of stupid story is this? And it's all over the news.
Right.
For you out there right now, in Texas, if you're undocumented, are you going to say, "Oh yeah, that's a good idea, Governor Abbott. Let me go on your bus."
Doubt it.
Go to Washington. I'm undocumented. Who's getting on this bus?
I don't know.
Abbott said during a news conference, it's all over the news, which is why I almost didn't want to even talk about it, but it's all over the news, so you can't not talk about it.
Right.
But I knew this was going to happen. Abbott said to help local officials whose communities are being overwhelmed by hordes of illegal immigrants who are being dropped off by the administration, Texas is providing buses to send all these illegal immigrants who have been dropped off by the Biden administration to Washington, D.C. Who's getting on this bus? Where are they finding these people? And by the way, nobody's being dropped off. You can now go to a border crossing and apply for amnesty. That's what you can do now.
Okay.
What you couldn't do before. Pretty ridiculous. Thanks for watching. For more Brad Show Live, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.